Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Adventure Belt. My name is Kelly. Today I'm installing the Ultra Privy Shower Room from Overland Pros. Stay tuned. Moving quick, try to keep up. This is the Overland Pros Ultra Privy Shower Room version 3. Retails for $350. I paid $275. It's a great deal, super sturdy, but we're starting with the brackets. And they're going on my Prinsu rack. These are in the way, they gotta go. Perfect. Now I'm gonna install the included brackets. Because of the Prinsu rack, there's a lip here that I have to clear. I need a spacer. I've got just the thing. Using the factory hardware, slide in the Prinsu rack. I drop on my wheel bearing spacer, drop on the bracket, and then adjust it where you want it. Then install the nuts. Tighten it down with a 10mm socket. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Now we're gonna mount the privy on the truck. First things first, tear this back to expose the holes for the extruded aluminum. Now insert bolts into your related channels. Seal this back up, put it on the truck. Align the bolts, put it on. Now that it's on, step back, make sure it's where you want it, then tighten it down. All right, that's it, it's installed. Let's try it out. All right, that's it. It's pretty cut and dry. That was the very first time I pulled that out. It's set up in less than a minute. Very, very easy to deploy. I'm gonna end up raising this up a little bit for a little bit more top end privacy. But other than that, this thing's good to go. Let me show you guys how it looks on the inside. So let me show you how you adjust it. So right now, it's barely off the ground. I'd like it a little bit higher so it doesn't get stuck in the mud. All you do is take these straps, cinch them all down. Now I've got a little bit more ground clearance, won't drag in the mud. So you enter from this back corner here. It's a big zipper. Unzip it, and just get in. You can tell this material's got a waterproof coating on it and it feels very, very durable. So the inside has a pocket on this side, a pocket on this side. This unzips, I would imagine, so you can access things inside the vehicle that you wanted to. And it's very spacious. Standing against one wall, I can't even touch the other wall. These poles aren't gonna collapse on you. They're locked in by this mechanism here. And the privy does come with 4 stakes to stake out the bottom, give you a little bit more ground space. And it also won't blow into you when you're showering in the wind. All right, let's put it away. That's it, super quick. All right guys, I hope you liked that quick install, and to be completely honest, this was solely for the wife, just to make our extended adventures a little bit nicer for her. I will also have the link to this Overland Pros Ultra Privy version 3. Apparently the first two weren't as good as this one. This one's actually really nice though. I've noticed a lot of them are a little bit heavier, not quite as strong. This one, after doing some research, I found to be the most likely the best one out there. So great job, Overland Pros. And I will give you guys in a few months kind of an update as to how it's doing, but I'm sure it's gonna work really, really well. And if you are a fan of adventure, subscribe. It really does help Adventure Built grow. And also while you're over there, hit that like button because you know you like it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.